In a chilling announcement, Hamas has issued a grave warning asserting that no hostages will leave Gaza alive unless their demands are met. Abu Ubaidah, spokesperson for Hamas's armed wing, delivered a televised message stating neither the fascist enemy and its arrogant leadership nor its supporters can take their prisoners alive without an exchange and negotiation and meeting the demands of the resistance. The recent collapse of a one-week truce on December 1 saw 105 hostages released, including 80 Israelis in exchange for 240 Palestinian prisoners. However, tensions remain high as Israel reports that 137 captives are still held in Palestinian territory. Mediator Qatar is actively involved in ongoing efforts to secure a new truce and release more hostages. However, warnings have been sounded about the narrowing window for a successful outcome due to relentless Israeli bombardments. Abu Ubaidah affirmed that Hamas would persist in its fight against Israeli forces, declaring, "We have no choice but to fight this barbaric occupier in every neighborhood, street, and alley." He emphasized that the conflict is a holy battle on their land. The roots of the war trace back to a brutal Hamas attack on southern Israel on October 7, resulting in a devastating retaliatory assault by Israel. Shockingly, the death toll has risen to at least 17,700 people, predominantly civilians, in the Gaza Strip. Hamas's armed wing asserted that Israel could only recover hostages through talks over conditional swap deals. Spokesperson for the Al-Qassam Brigades conveyed in an audio speech broadcast by Al Jazeera television that Israel's attempt to recover captives by force has failed. Additionally, the spokesperson for Al-Qassam Brigades also claimed that Hamas fighters had inflicted significant damage, partially or fully destroying 180 Israeli personnel carriers, tanks, and bulldozers in the 10 days since fighting resumed in Gaza. The situation remains fluid, and we will continue to monitor and provide updates on this escalating crisis. Stay tuned for the latest developments.